What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy, a geek. So the question is that are Android tablet dead in 2018? Definitely yes. Last year I bought one of the best, fastest Android tablet ever, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. But it's horrible. YouTube crash. YouTube always crash. YouTube speed is very low. I mean, I don't understand why Android and Google did not try to optimize Android after the Honeycomb. I mean, when Honeycomb was launched, it was purely for the tablet. After that, Google gave up. Nowadays, I want a tablet, but I think so. I'm just going to buy the Honor Huawei Honor Note 10 and then use something between like a phone and a tablet. I mean, I'm going to use that. That is like 6.95 inch. I think more than enough for me for watching video, for getting some work done. I don't understand. Android is very buttery smooth, optimized for the smartphone, but for the tablet they are not. And we are not getting any new tablet from big brands. Sony was the Sony built the best tablet. It's been like 2 or 3 years last time we got a Sony tablet. Yes, Android tablets are dead. The only way to go with iPad. I have been using iPad for 5 years before I bought the Android tablet. I think it was my biggest mistake. I don't like Apple ecosystem. I don't want to be locked in. I just want to drag and drop file. I mean, thanks to the Android mass storage option, but it's not worth it still. Just buy a iPad. It was me, Gmail. Subscribe and buy. Check out the links in the description box below. Bye.